What are you doing, Moo? I thought that music bar was for you. What are you doing? Some for Max? Oh,